offer you all sorts of things, home manors, manor houses, coats of arms. A man should go where he won't be tempted. Why not be a teacher? You'd be a fine teacher, perhaps a great one.
If I was, I wouldn't know.
You, your pupils, your friends, gone. Not a bad public then. Oh. And the quiet life.
You say that? You come from talking with the cardinal?
Ah, yes, talking with the cardinal. It's eating your heart out, isn't it? The high affairs of state.
The divorce?
Boatman,
Sir?
take this gentleman to the new inn.
Right, sir. Sir Thomas. Thank you.
Be a teacher.